Here are the new wallpaper kits. I've got 3 of them. I've got sort of like a bluey one, a pinky one, and sort of yellow tones, a few brownies in with that. Just what I had. Sort of, I tried to put them in sort of colour families within reason. Right, so this is number 2, wallpaper samples number 2. Okay, and they come in landscape and portrait. Okay, sometimes there might be a couple of extra pages in a kit. That's because I've managed to get sort of 2, when I've done a portrait, I've done sort of a big one like that and a big one, you know, like that. So, you know, I've done that a couple of times. So, I printed these on really thin paper, so that's like the landscape ones. That's landscape. That's landscape. I think the first couple were portrait. That's portrait. 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 That is whatever. So I don't think I've done that. I might have done it actually in portrait because then the design is a bit bigger. So that one's landscape. That's landscape. Yeah, so you've got 2 of those. It's because I just sort of like copy and paste it, turned it around and done different things. That one there. And the pattern will be going around the opposite direction. I don't know. But you get, it's a bonus really, you know, having them 2 sets together. So it's a very reasonable price because I just think these are just backing papers that you can play with and have a bit of fun. You know, so I've tried to keep it really down. This is number 3. This is like #3 wallpaper samples. Some of these I'll show you in a minute. The portrait ones I shrunk down to 4 to a page. I haven't put them in the kit. It was an afterthought, and they look really good. So I will show you those as well. It's portrait. So these printed onto card, just what I had in my printer. I love that one. And that's really nice. Yeah, I think there's a couple extra in this one. That one, I should say. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. And this was the portrait ones, and I thought they'd make look fantastic journaling cards. So that was 4 to a page. I doubled up on them because I thought they were nice, so I've done like 2 copies and then done 4 to a page. But I think they turned out really good for little journaling cards. Okay, and the last one is the sort of browns and yellows, that sort of, it's definitely not pink tones. That's #4. Okay. Get confused myself. These, it's like a tile effect one. sort of would go with blues as well, but it does go with some of the yellows in here. So I'll print it that twice actually. Oh no, it's bigger, that's right, because it's in portrait. Yeah, I love that one. Some more brown. I think, yeah, that's a nice, very spring-like one. And this one, and that's like a little bit bigger. Oh, you won't get that little spot there. I don't know what that is. And the same as this one, the portrait one is slightly bigger. And the same goes with these. Right. There. It just depends how it works out. So, yeah, but plenty to choose from. More yellows, more sort of browny colours here. These are really nice actually, and will definitely come in handy.